Hello, it's Jay here and welcome to another video. In this lesson we're going to do some more updates and fixes, and this time we're going to concentrate on fixes for the special moves. So at the moment we have an issue where you can actually do a special move during the fight intro before the fight starts, and there is a chance of triggering it during the character select. So those are the issues we need to fix. As you can see, I've got all three special move scripts open and the play one movement script, so please pause the video and open all them scripts if you need to. And we'll then carry on. So in the play one movement, we're going to come and find the bubbles for return demo state and return fight intro finish. So this is going to be a fairly simple process because we can actually copy and paste all the code we need from the play one movement script, but there is a little bit of an issue with the second special move, which I'll explain once we get there. So that is those two balls now pasted into the first special move script. Obviously you can put them variables wherever you like, and the same goes for the code we're going to copy from the void start. And it's these two lines, return demo state equals false and equals choose character player demo. Let's just copy those in. Again, these can go anywhere in the void start. And now we shall come down to here. If return demo state, let's copy that line equals true. So this code does need to go in a particular place, and that place is at the very top of the void update. And we'll add a return line after that if statement, and do nothing and return. So all very simple so far. So let's have a look. We need the fight intro. So it'll be quicker to find our references. So in the void update, this line equals fight intro dot fight intro finished, and if fight intro finished does not equal true, return. Let's copy that line and that if statement again. This needs to come at the very top of the void update, so all this code now sits at the top of this function. I'm just going to break that line up for commenting. Of course, all the comments can stay the same. So now we have this new code at the top of the void update, so nothing can happen regarding the special moves at least for the first one, if we are in a demo state or if the fight intro has not finished. Now we're going to copy and paste all this code exactly the same as we've done it here, starting with the 2 private balls into the 3rd special move. Now we're skipping over number 2. As I said, I'll explain why in a moment. But let's just get the 3rd one done because it's exactly the same as the 1st special move. So again, I'm copying the code from the void start. And just tidying things up as I go. And now the code from the void update. So again, the other code doesn't matter where it goes, but again, this needs to go at the very top of the void update. So again, absolutely no change. And we've quickly just tidied all that up. Let's save that off. And now we're going to turn our attention to the 2nd special move. So what makes the 2nd special move different? And that is the fact that it's a charge special move where we hold a button, in this case the back button, for 2 seconds before we can actually do the rest of the combination. Now, most fighting games, at least the ones I've played, allow you to charge the special move during the fight intro. So that's what I'm going to do with the 2nd special move. Now obviously, if you don't want a player to be able to do that in your game, just copy and paste the code into the same places as we've already done. So I'll leave that choice up to you, but as I said, I want to keep it so we can charge during the intro. So again, it's the same code but just placed in different orders. So first thing, the 2 private balls can remain the same. The void start, the 2 lines, again we can just copy and paste those in. And now we come to the void update. So for the void update, so we need this, the first if block, return demo state double equals true. Obviously the demo state is for the choose character scene. So we still don't want to be able to do anything with the special move at that point. However, once we're in game, we are going to allow the special move to be charged. So we're going to copy and paste this line and this if statement, and we're going to come to the void update. Now because we have the code, or 2 lots of code depending on which side of the screen the player is, we first need to begin. Let's come down because I don't want you to get confused where this goes. So we have the buttons, if equals null, button combination, and we have the if player's transform position X is less than opponent's. So we're going to put the code just below this block. So if charge special move double equals 0, if button 2 is less than or equals to minus 0.2 F, return. And that is where the code is going to go. So let's just tidy that up. We'll copy it again, and we need to come now to player's position is greater than opponent's, and we're going to look for the same if statements. Charge special move double equals 0. This time if button 2 is greater than 0.25f, return, and we're going to paste that same code in. So let's save that off. We'll downsize Visual Studio and we'll hit play. So will they run through as normal? Now obviously you can't see my controller, but for the character creation screen and the fight intro you can see I can't do anything. So until the match actually starts. However, let's hit play again and we're going to test if it allows us to charge the special move while the actual intro is playing. So I'll quickly pause there. We'll come to Black Robot and the special move 2 script, and we'll want to see if the charge is working. So I'm going to hold left and unpause it, and as you can see, and then I can actually execute the second special move as soon as the fight starts. So let's just save everything off there, and we'll leave it there for this video. As I said, if you don't want a player to be able to do this in your game, just put the code in the same places as the other 2 scripts. But we'll leave it there for this video. As always, I hope you enjoyed it. I hope to see you next time, and until then, as always, bye for now.